Alright, today in this video, I want to show you an update of my aerials. My aerial video is the most watched video on my channel. Obviously I'm not a gymnast, and the aerial for tricker and gymnast is very different actually. The gymnast aerial is very inline, looks very pretty, whereas the trickers one slightly slanted, but produces much more power. So some people call tricking and slanted gymnastics. This is my aerial now. I'm just doing it from standing. I think my right leg's still bent. That was probably worse. Yeah, that was good. Alright, so that's my aerial. Things that really helped me was the elbows. Elbows tight. I go down. This elbow goes into the body. This right elbow goes over the body. So this helps me pull the body over easily. You can just go. You can just see I pull this quite depth forward and drive really hard with the right now. It's almost like a really inverted roundhouse kick. So it's just like that. And the left just follows. Timing is really crucial. From the kick to the little jump you do, get yourself some height. Spot on the ground the whole way. So when you kick nearly at the peak, that's when you take a little hop. Yeah. Those are the tips that help me with my aerial. Obviously it's not perfect still. I've got to get this right leg straight. Aerial combos which I use. Yeah, so I usually go hook, aerial, hook, aerial, back 9, and then like hook into something else. Hook, aerial. My god, that was ugly. Man, I already did a hook video, should be good already. Better. I'm gonna go for a bit of a marathon. Hook, aerial, backside 9, hook, palm kick, scoot gainer. Another place where I use my aerial is when I use the flash kick. I round off, flash kick into an aerial. Plays pretty nicely, I think. Oh, that's so low. There's an update video of my aerials. Yeah, still loads of work to do on them. It is 1 year tricking now, but I'm not happy with my progression right now. It's not good. It's been a tough couple of months for tricking. I will do something about the 1 year tricking progression. Just gotta think about what I'm gonna do. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.